In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Google Meet link. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to Google Calendar. If you don't have the application, you can just go ahead and head over to your browser and click on the menu section. Now in here, go ahead and click on Calendar, and this will redirect you to Google Calendar. Now, once you're redirected to Google Calendar, go ahead and look for the specific event where you've incorporated a Google Meet link. So just go ahead and look for that specific event from your calendar. So you can adjust the dates that you can view by clicking on this area and selecting the dates that you can view. Go ahead and adjust it to view more, and in here just go ahead and click on that event to be able to view that event. To delete that Google Meet link, click on the pencil icon to be able to edit this event. Now in here, go ahead and click on this X icon beside the Google Meet link to remove this Google Meet link on your event, and that is how you can simply delete a Google Meet link. You can resave your event after that. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.